Let's get focused here. This is the 2012 Canathon, and we're supposed to be in here raising cans. You think it's funny, Brownie? You think it's funny, Sam? Banks? Lee, you think? Rich? Whoa, you better start bringing some cans. I thought we was going to bring cans in here. And on the count of 3, some cans better start showing up. 1, 2, 3.
Half back there, man.
That's what I'm talking about. Now we got to come out here and raise some more cans. Are we going to get her done?